Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra, but the topic that is about the system of equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right and this one go to the right. Next, we put about natural law for the both sides. Now, we have the formula in here. Fn8 to the power of b equals to b Fn8. So, for this one, we have S Fn number 7. This one, we have Y Fn number 16. Similar for the second one. Now, we have this equation number 1 and this one we have number 7, number 2. So, I select about number 2. So, we divide both sides by Fn number 4. And now, I will put this one go to this one. So S will change for this one. Now we put this one go to the left. Now we can do about factorization by y. So we simplify and we have y equals to number 0. And if we have this one, we can find the value of s. So we put number 0 colon here. And we have s equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.